Hi, our team looks good to me, and I'm with Stefan and Mustafa. Our community partner is the first response team at the University of Guelph. They are a student-run organization that handles first response calls on the University of Guelph campus. Throughout the fall and winter semester, they handle 24/7 calls for the university, and they also support for special events like homecoming. The organization is made up of responders, supervisors, and core coordinators who all play an important role in ensuring safety at the university. We have been asked to design a system for the FRT to solve some problems that the FRT has with their ordinary system. Some of the struggles the schedule auto-populates but does not account for existing personal conflicts between the responders. Also, the responders need to use many tools to finish a task successfully. We have made our system in a way that allows the responders to complete the task using only the system provided to them. They can check their schedule there, write a PCR, upload a PCR, and check announcements posted by the coordinator to get updates on what's new. The process of collecting and creating requirements include going through Moodle and getting all the information regarding the demands of the first response team and information about the first response team. For example, we looked at the first response team administrative application project to determine requirements and their respective categories. We had to do this because we needed to understand whether requirements were must, should, could, or won't. Also, we needed to determine dependencies and priorities. After we had collected and created our software requirements, it was time to categorize and prioritize them. This involves categorizing each requirement into a priority level of must, should, could, or won't. These categories represent which requirements we believed are most important to the application. A must is required to be in the application. Shoulds don't have to be, but probably should. Coulds are optional and won't tell the client that these will not be included. For setting time estimates, we used our frame of minds as developers and decided which features would be quick or long based on our own personal experience. For example, we know creating a form should only take 1 to 2 days, so we also made sure not to include anything out of scope of this project. Our system uses a variety of use cases such as login, create an account, upload a form, log out, create an account, call log, profile, and schedule. We use the wireframe to give the client a visual guide that represents the framework of our application. The prototype was done using a shared screen through a Zoom call due to the lack of ability to apply a paper prototype session. After our first lab demo, we got a lot of important feedback from the volunteer responders. We were told that we had a lot of good information and good features that were useful. Our upload features seemed to confuse both responders, so for the next lab demo, we fixed this. We did this by adding a drop-down menu that will specify which type of document the user is trying to upload. A- After the second lab demo, we were told a lot of constructive criticism by the second responder who viewed our application. He was very confused with our schedule page and call log page. We fixed this by creating a schedule based off the When to Work website. So this is the When to Work website theme that we decided to use for our application. And this is how we fixed the call log by allowing the user to select a call log based off a specific day. And to make it AODA compliant, we provided text alternatives so that it could be changed into forms that people need, such as large text. So if you see the login, it's really large and the buttons are large as well. And we added meaningful sequence and the use of color. And our system acknowledges the PIPEDA requirements. which include accountability and identifying purpose. By documenting the purpose of collecting data before the collecting process, the system will seek the consent of the user before collecting data. Also, the system will ask the user once again for their consent when the information is going to be used for a purpose that is not mentioned in the document. Our system is a great solution to the client because it provides all the necessary administrative features that responders need in one place. We know the client had a problem with different tools such as Excel, When to Work, Facebook, and pen and paper. Our solution provides the features of all these tools in one place to save time and allow responders to have more focus on the health and safety of the university. We also have some extra features like the announcement page to al- allow messages to be sent to all responders. So thank you for listening to this presentation and I hope you have a wonderful day.